Jamal surveyed 34 people at his gym. He learned that 16 people did weight training 3 times a week. 21 people do cardio 3 times a week, and 6 people train fewer than 3 times a week. How can Jamal interpret these results? Well, first things first, let's define it. So G equals all the people at the gym, or all the members of the gym. Let's say that W are the people who weight train. More than 3 times per week. And let's call C people who cardio train more than 3 times per week. All right, let's draw a diagram here. So we know that this is our W. We know that this is our cardio. We know that 6 people train fewer than 3 times a week, so the complement of the union of W and C would have 6. We know that the total in C is 21, and we know that the total in W is going to be 16. We also know that the total in the gym is going to be 34. So let's just remind ourselves of the formula. The number in the union, so W union cardio, or C, is the number of elements in weight training plus the number of elements in cardio minus the number of elements in the intersection of both. Now, if we add up all these numbers, 21 plus 16 plus 6, we're going to get a number that's greater than 34. We're actually going to get 43. We know that there must be an intersection. If all the numbers that you're given add up to more than the total number of members at the gym, we have an intersection there. So we know that we already know what the number of the number in the intersection here is. We have the total number here is 34. So N, the number of N union C, or the number in W union C, is the total number 34 minus the complement of W union C, which is 6. 6 is the number that doesn't fit into either, so it's 28. So I know what my number in W union C is. It's 28. I know that the number of people who weight train is 16. I know that the number of people who train cardio is 21. And I don't know what that intersection is, but we can solve for it. Since we have one equation, we can have one variable that's unknown. I would say 28 minus 16 minus 21 is negative 9 equals negative N W intersect C. So that means that I know that 9 is the answer to N intersect C. So that means my number in the intersection here is 9. My total for W has to be 6, so the people who only weight train must be 7, because 7 plus 9 is 16. I know that this number here must be 12, because 9 plus 12 is the full 21. Now, if I take 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 6, do it in your calculator real quick. I bet you're going to get 34, and that's exactly right.